You are watching part 6 of the full series of interview questions on Grafana, analytics and monitoring tool. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. How can Grafana be integrated with version control systems like Git? And what are the benefits of version controlling dashboards? What role does Grafana play in a CI/CD pipeline? And how can it be utilized for monitoring during the deployment process? Explain the concept of Loki in Grafana and how it complements traditional log aggregation systems. How can you create and use annotations in Grafana to mark specific events on a graph? What are the benefits of using variables in Grafana dashboards? And how can they be configured for dynamic filtering? First question, how can Grafana be integrated with version control systems like Git? And what are the benefits of version controlling dashboards? Grafana supports integration with Git for version control. Version controlling dashboards helps in tracking changes, collaborating with teams, and rolling back to previous configurations if needed. Second question, what role does Grafana play in a CI/CD pipeline? And how can it be utilized for monitoring during the deployment process? Grafana can be integrated into CI/CD pipelines to monitor metrics during deployments. Dashboards can display performance metrics, error rates, and other indicators to ensure smooth deployments. Third question, explain the concept of Loki in Grafana and how it complements traditional log aggregation systems. Loki is a log aggregation system designed to work seamlessly with Grafana. It complements traditional log systems by providing a cost-effective and scalable solution for containerized environments. Next question, how can you create and use annotations in Grafana to mark specific events on a graph? Annotations can be added to Grafana graphs by clicking on the graph and selecting Add Annotation. Users can specify details such as the text, tags, and time range to mark events. Next question, what are the benefits of using variables in Grafana dashboards, and how can they be configured for dynamic filtering? Variables in Grafana provide dynamic filtering and make dashboards interactive. They can be configured to represent different data sources, metric names, or other parameters, allowing users to switch between them. Quiz time. Let's see if you get it correct. Please post your answer in the comments section. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please mention it in the comments section and we will answer it for you. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews. We believe in turning interviews into milestones.